You smell chocolate.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, another instalment of October or Tubetober, whichever you prefer. And as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one today. Ball we're going to be using, here we go, Giles shaving ball. I've got two of these, not this particular, two Giles ones. You've seen the other one with the John shaves. Giles also made that one as well. Absolutely wonderful. Slightly bigger than the Captain's Choice ball, slightly deeper. That's unglazed and it offers, and that bit round there is unglazed and it offers really, really good grip. Check out gilesshaving.com. So we're going to put it in there, and the brush, will start off with a brush so I can get it in. So it's a Badger. It's a YAQI 24mm high mountain Badger. Now it may not look it in the video, but it's actually wet. I've had it soaking for 10 minutes and I'm going to put it back into soak here on the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I've got it in there. I've done that. I forgot to fill the sink up. I've done that, guys, because it's a Badger. I took a tip off Bradley. Thank you, Bradley. Bradley says give them just a little bit extra longer to soak them. Really give them a good soak and it makes a difference to your Badger. I tried it and it did make a difference. That's annoying, that isn't it? Right. Okay. There we go. That will do us. We'll have a run down all the stuff now that that's soaking. You've seen the tube. Here we are. Supermax. Supermax Ultimate 3. We got this from a store in the UK called Poundland. And it was £1. There you go. Check that out. Or if the in the United States, $1.08. Woo! A few years ago it would have been $1.50, $1.08. But there you go. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll open that. Let's get straight in there. Come on, both rings. There you go. Oh, lovely, fresh, clean, soapy scent. Don't know how it lathers. I've used it before, but it's been a while, and that's been sat in there for a while as well. We've got the matching balm, same shop, £1. As you can tell, it smells really good, guys. Really nice and fresh. You know, I usually use it walking out the door for work. Put a bit on, a bit in the hair. Smell nice all day. Talking of hair, hey, I went to the Tom Jones of barbering. He's called Ranting. If I remember, I'll put a link to his YouTube channel, didn't my barber? The Iranian barber I was telling you about. Go and check him out. He's the Tom Jones of barbering. Got a channel there singing a few songs. How you doing, Rampton? He subscribed and said he was going to watch this instalment of John Shaves 101. The Balm. Baxters of California. Quite expensive stuff, this. I've not checked, but I've seen it for £13–14 a tube. But Stuart George put me onto this. He sent me a link. He said, John, check this out. Maybe about 6–7 months ago now. And there were two of these for £7. And I got them, two for £7, free postage. And then, like, within about an hour, cancelled, gone, back up to full price. So I don't know if it was a glitch, but I bagged a deal with that there. I never told you the razor, have I? Look, here it is. The Merkur Futur, right? Those of you of a certain age, I say it every time I use this, look, you will remember. Do you remember Buck Rogers in the 25th century? Razors were using, look. Supermax, I don't know if it's the same company, it may well be. Supermax, Super Platinum, made in India. Double wrapped, nice looking blades, Super Platinum. Anyway, as I was saying, do you remember Buck Rogers in the 25th century? That blade's on there, but it's actually quite loose. See, that doesn't go on. Oh, now I've dropped the blade in the water. There's no notches with these. It doesn't go a certain way, does it? But yet, why have I got it in my mind? I've got it in my mind that it does. There you go. That's it there. What we'll do is, you see it's on number 1. Takes every time. Let's go. We're going to start. We'll start on number 4. Next one on number 5. Last one on pickups on number 6. We'll get that in there. What was I telling you about? Mine gone. Absolutely gone. I was telling you about something. Oh yeah, anyway. Buck Rogers in the 25th century. Biddy biddy biddy. Catch you later, Buck. And it tweak it, that little, do you remember that little tweak it, that little biddy biddy biddy? Just, is it just me? Let me know in the comments. Right, here we go. Let's see how we do. To be fair, this has always been my best badger. It's always performed and it's always done okay. And it's the reason I've bought other badgers too. Look at this, guys. Absolutely. Look at this. Wow, look at it. In seconds, lathering up like an absolute cream. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm not overly keen on badgers, I prefer synthetics. But this is the reason, this badger was so good. I bought it from YAQI when I very first started my channel. And it was so good, it's the reason I bought a couple of other badgers. And then had absolute zero success with the other badgers, you know. So I like it, but once again, I do prefer synthetics. Here we go. We've got to be quiet to do. I'm not tired, full of energy, and I want to burst into life. But Samantha's in that room, Angela's in that room. They normally go out and get some grocery shopping and so on. But I think they're both a little off colour, so I'll finish this shave and then spend the night annoying them. Can't pass up this opportunity, can I? There you go. You know, you could spend all night, couldn't you, doing this and having water. But got a life to live. There you go. Look at that. It did okay, didn't it? Here we go. The future. I'm not keen on this future. I'm really, really not keen. There it is. Got the logo on the front there. Here we go. Yeah, so I went and got my hair cut. Had a nice chat to Rampton. He's got some nice products in his shop. And I said to him, maybe look towards getting stuff for the wet shaving community and sell it in your shop. I know it's, I'm seeing more and more shops selling wet shaving stuff, but do you know what, guys? It's not quality. The stuff Rampton have, the sprays and the colognes and that, look really nice. But like, I'm seeing supermarkets now and high street stores selling them, but it's just cheap. A cheap crummy. Cheap crummy stuff, you know. But they weren't selling them 5 years ago, so things are on the up, aren't they? Let me know what your shaves of the day are. I always like reading them in the comments. Thanks to everybody for all the comments on the last video. Once again, I had something, honestly, my mind is just, I've got a memory like a sieve. It holds nothing. Something to say. Mine's just gone completely blank. Yeah, let me know what you think. Somebody commented, oh yeah, that was what I was going to say. Somebody commented on my Baxters video. Let's take this up now to number 5. Can you see it? I'll show it you. I'll try and get it so the light catches it. It's on number 5. Here we go. Yeah, someone commented on my badges video. Nice badges. And you may have noticed I've just been liking at YouTube just this week, just decided to show me a load of comments that people made a year ago. So if you get a notification that I've liked a comment from last year, that's why. YouTube only just decided to show it to me, and that's that. So let me know what you think of the shave. Let me know what you think of the badges. I know they've got a loyal fan base out there, and I can understand why. You know, a well broken in badger brush and all the rest of it. It's just that I think if I only had one brush and it was a badger and I used it all the time, I think I may well feel very differently after a year or two. But I haven't found one yet that likes to let go of the lather. And I don't want to work that hard in a shave. Work that hard. Oh, you're shaving. Hey, did you see the little bit at the start of the video? Right, so I'm gonna go up. Number 6, can you see it? Let's get it right there to the camera. Number 6 against the grain. Yeah, that's a mural, that little fill at the start of the video. Oh, it's a mural painted on the wall, and it's on a side street. And I sat there today on my way home from work, and I must have waited 5 minutes, not a living soul. I ran across the road, went like this. Little old deer comes walking behind you. So I waited till she'd gone. Went like this. Polish family came walking that way. And a couple of old guys. Oh. Anyway, so it is a bit Amber Heard. Do you remember? My dog got stung by a bee. Can you smell chocolate? So it is a bit Amber Heard, but it's better than nothing, isn't it? Oh dear. Wow. To be fair, it's cutting really well. Can you hear that? Check out the blade gap, guys. Look at that. An absolute monster. There you go. Well, I'm snoozing. Haven't even had a shower yet. There we go. There you go. It did okay, didn't it, the brush? Wow. There's nothing. Oh, the usual suspects here we'll get. That cream's pretty slick. It just smells like a generic soapy scent. I didn't want to use it, but I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know if you've noticed. I always try and put out the best possible content I can. But I'm on a budget, you know. So there's a lot of smoke and mirrors going on. And what I do, I tend to put a slightly poorer shave video. A slightly poorer shave video on a midweek Because it's just a tide me over, really, you know. The real shave's at weekend. But when I go out partying with my models, you know, so there you go. I've got a good one, a good tube lined up, ready for you. Check this out, guys. What do you think? Look at that. That's absolutely BBS. We did okay, didn't we? The brush did okay, the cream did okay. The splash, this smells absolutely lovely, guys. I've tried to get some more of it. If you see it in a Poundland near you, grab. I've seen this one, never ever seen it since. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells like, it just smells like a lovely, generic, fresh, clean, soapy scent. That absolutely wonderful. And then Baxters, this is good stuff. I think this is mentholated glycerin, aloe vera. Oh, aloe vera. Aloe extract, allantoin and menthol for a cooling sensation. And it looks like that again, guys. Can you see it? Oh, can you see it? It looks like a gel. No real scent. Oh, but you do get that lovely menthol cooling sensation. And that is our shave, guys. Bit of a fly. Thanks for sticking with me. I've got the two ladies at home. I've got to have a shower. And then I'll probably prepare something to eat and drink for us all. And that's it. That's our shave. Thanks for sticking with me. Look after yourselves. And remember, it's cold and dark outside, but you can be a beacon of warmth and light. Look after yourselves, guys. And I will see you all on Saturday for a really good shave. Bye.